Hi everybody. This week you are going to start working on your final project. Your final project for this class is to create a personal educational strategic plan. That is, sounds a little overwhelming, but it's pretty easy. We're going to do it step by step. You'll add a new component to it each week, and this week we get started. So, you also have a lot of reading to do this week. We're getting back to Jane McGonigal, and you'll be reading chapters 3 and 4 of Super Better and taking a 1-page of notes for each of those chapters. That will be your Week 7 Quest 3. You'll also be reading this article, What Goal Setting Does to Your Brain and Why It's Spectacularly Effective. And then this very short article, or even just this bit of that article, on how to write a mission statement. And that's going to get you set up for getting started on an actual mission statement. For this, you do need to take it to the Learning Resource Center and get feedback from university staff. If you can't get to the Learning Resource Center for any reason, an advisor is okay, but that means that you need to start early in the week working on your mission statement to leave yourself time during office hours, during the time that the learning centers in Homer and or Soldotna are open or available, so that you can email one of the writing specialists your mission statement if you can't get to the campus. That could take a couple of days to email it and get feedback and then make your adjustments to your mission statement. So make sure that you start and get your reading done early in the week and get started on your mission statement, so that the second half of that you can get your feedback. Because that is a 2-step process, you'll notice that that assignment is worth some extra points. That one's 200 points. And then I'm kind of working backwards on describing what you're doing this week. But Week 7 Quest 1 is setting up your OneNote notebook and getting it prepared. So you'll see all the different sections that you need to add, one of which is your mission statement. So that'll be easy and fast. Getting started on your mission statement is a little more involved. And then note-taking is no extra time. That's just while you're actually doing the reading that you were going to do anyway. So, as usual, have fun. It's a very interesting reading this week and important reading. So let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, have a great week.